wanted you to see how pretty my yard looks this spring. It was so ugly in the drought last summer. Look at the green grass. Yay! And what about the vine that ate the mailbox? It's hard to get the flag up. At the side of my house I have elephant ears. They will be big soon. Talking about big, look at my new puppy next door. Max is about 5 months old. He's a big boy. Hey Max. Hey boy. Hey Max. Hey Max. Are you a big boy? Huh? Max. Hey boy. Hey boy. And this is my backyard. There's Max again. I'll be back, boy. I want to show you the rest of my yard. Look at the vines going up the post to my deck. I like the purple one. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's Pepper barking, the dog in the backyard across from me. Hey Pepper. Okay, let me show you under the deck. It's kind of dark, so we'll see if that works or not. I have ferns and hostas under the deck. Get out of the sun, maybe it'll work. Ooh, looks good from here. I hope that shows up. Oh, and I want to check out this fern too. See that fern? Looks kind of ratty. And that's because there's a bird nest in it, and I can't keep it taken care of very well. Started out with 5 eggs, but all I can see are 2 babies. They were kind of sleepy a minute ago, so I don't know if I'll get much of a picture. But let's see. Hey babies, anybody home? Anybody home in there? Hey babies. Wake up, little babies. Wake up, little babies. Oh well. Anyway, that's a bird nest. Now, one last thing. I want to show you my rose garden in the back corner of the... Okay, now let's go over there. Sorry about the walking. I hate when people bounce cameras around. Okay, almost. Pretty roses. Look at that new bloom. Isn't it pretty? Another one. Roses and roses. Okay. That's pretty much how my backyard looks this summer. See you later.